The GOAT, Kobe Bryant, scored 81 points in these. It was a must cop. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And the Kobe 81 points restocked they came out a couple of years ago, but we got them back again, man. 81 points, guys. I know nowadays it was a while ago, so it don't seem like some momentum. But listen, man, 81 points. I watched it live on TV, man. Dope, man. I'm Kobe biased, but if you're a basketball player, this is definitely the sneaker for you. As far as rocking it with style, it's still possible, but this sneaker definitely was made for basketball with Nike. I was supposed to get this video to y'all a couple of days ago, but I was waiting for the shirt. I brought the sneakers from the sneaker app, but I brought the shirt and the hoodie from Foot Locker. I should have just brought them both, same joint. Foot Locker taking too long, but the show must go on, man. Look at the wrinkles in it. Yeah. Let's unbox them, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So we still getting that black Mamba skin box. I think it started with the gift of Mambas. Not last Christmas, the Christmas before that. That's the first time I think I've seen it. But every Kobe I brought since have it. From the Venice to the other Christmas joints to the girl dads. They all come in this box, and I don't have a problem with it. You get the black Mamba box, gold hits everywhere, even the Nike logo. You get the circle thing here, even though it's not a pull tab. They got the Nike logo, and it reads Kobe 1 Protro, white, black court, purple. You open the lid up, just more black inside, and you get that Kobe tissue before you get to some white tissue, and the sneakers are individually wrapped in that white tissue. And here's a 360 view of the left side Kobe 1 Protro. Now, if y'all don't remember, when Kobe first came to Nike, it was the Huarache. He made the Huarache pop on the court. Other people made it pop on the street. So this is the reminding of a Huarache a little bit, especially with this part here. On the back, you can see old school Nike up-tempo. Those were sneakers in the 90s, man. The up-tempos. I even think the Scottie Pippens are called the up-tempo. But before we get into anything, I want y'all to get into this white crack leather, guys. I didn't read the story behind the white crack leather because it's only in some parts. So you got it in the inside upper there. Then you got it on the outside here, which is weird because this part looks like it's supposed to be hard, but somehow it has the cracked leather. But you definitely see it a lot in the inside, opposed to the outside is just straight leather. Great leather, might I add. Got a black swoosh here that looks like it's inside, but it's actually outside. It has a little pop-up. It just has the threading outline and it making it look inside, but it's definitely outside, and that's leather also. I talked about the front. Let's get into the front. Leather is superior, guys. This is great leather. I'm shocked the sneaker wasn't like $225. I think I paid $228 after tax. But yeah, man, this crack that kills it for me. These cracks is super dope. You do get a mini swoosh right there, but it's also white, so it blends in. You get a yellow star in the middle of the tongue. I don't think that's for all-star purposes. I'm not sure if it was on original. Again, Kobe 1s wasn't my thing, man. I wasn't playing basketball in Kobe's at the time. Now I regret it, but I don't remember if that was on the original. Of course, you get the Kobe logo at the tongue, and the tongue is actually premium leather also, guys. The sides of the shoelace is silver or chrome. Super dope, man. I like that. I definitely like the top one. You get twill or rope laces, chrome tips. The chrome tips actually have Or it look like a star. I'm not sure now. It has a Nike logo on it. Yeah, the chrome tips have a Nike logo on it. So that's dope. At the bottom, get like teeth. Purple, Laker purple teeth. I like that. Or court purple is what they calling it now. I like this here. If you see this material, reminds you of the Chrome 11s. The 11s period. Now cars are putting all that kind of material in their cars. And yeah, you get this little pull-out tab here. As a kid, you used to use it to pull your sneakers up. Now I guess it's just a style situation. Then you get some words in the inside. Houston, Denver, LA, Atlanta. I gotta figure out what those mean. But if I'm thinking, these are the All-Star games, the All-Star City games that Kobe won the MVP. If you know now, Kobe, the statue is named after Kobe, the All-Star MVP. So if I can remember, I know for sure LA, but I remember him winning in Philly because they booed him. Yeah, Philly's down here too. DC, Oakland, Jesus Christ, New York City. That's the Mamba, man. All those cities are in the inside that he won the All-Star game. That was the left. See if the right changes a little bit. And to my eyes, no, you still got the cities in the inside. I didn't talk about the Nike yellow swoosh at the bottom. I only talked about the star. It's definitely for All-Star, even though the 81 points was in January. It wasn't too far from All-Star against Toronto. But, man, I like this shoe. But, again, not being biased, it's more for basketball. It's more for on-court play. As you can see, the zoom in at the bottom. It's all zoomed in here. And if you feel right here, you could tell it's like something in there to snug your foot. So it's definitely for basketball situations. Yes, sir. The Kobe 1 Protro. And to be honest with you guys, back in the days, the athlete's first sneaker never popped. Even the Jordan 1 didn't pop at first. It got banned and then it got popular. The LeBron ones, I don't see no one buying that now. Kyrie's an upset a little. He did his thing. So did Ja Morant. But the Kobe 1 Protro, as me being the biggest Kobe fan, it just wasn't a sneaker for me. It wasn't really until the 4 and the 5 I really got popping with Kobe sneakers. As far as lifestyle, as far as the court, Kobe always rocked. But I believe these was $190. I don't know. Like again, I paid $228 from the sneakers app. It's still sizes there. Because again, I don't think it's like a lifestyle shoe. But 81 points, man. I know I tell y'all wear y'all sneakers. This one here would be more of a trophy for me. But if I decide to go to the gym one day, this is definitely the first sneaker I'm putting on. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these joints here. When the hoodie and the t-shirt get in, I'll compare that and put that together. They got Kobe with the 81-point game. Super dope, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes, everybody. Get rich.